Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use layout grids in Figma. Layout grids are visual aids that help you keep elements precisely aligned within your frames. Create a frame in your file in the Properties panel on the right. You'll see an option to create a layout grid. Click the plus sign to add one. By default, the grid will be a 10-pixel uniform grid, but you can adjust the settings in the Layout Grid Properties panel. You can also customize the grid's color and opacity. Remember, layout grids are static and pixel fixed. This means that when you resize the frame, the grid doesn't resize automatically. Figma allows you to add multiple grids to a frame, including columns, rows, or both. Now, let's specify the number of columns. Set the number to 12 columns. The gutter property controls the space between columns, and the margin property defines the space between the frame and the outermost column. Figma sets the column width to auto by default, meaning it will stretch or shrink as you resize the frame. To customize the width, switch the layout grid type to center. This is particularly useful for ultra-wide displays. The last layout grid type is left, which aligns the grid to the left edge of your frame. You can also adjust the offset to add space before the grid begins. You can quickly toggle the visibility of all grids in your file by pressing Ctrl+G on your keyboard, or selecting the eye icon in the toolbar, then choosing Layout Grids from the Global Settings menu. And that's how you use layout grids in Figma. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.